My name is Carlos Bautista. I am 33 years old and I am level 3 English student. Today I am to talk about the suburban guide to in life in Poland. The history. World War II. Poland has very important history, especially during World War II in on 1939. Germany invaded Poland and this started the war. The country suffered a lot and many cities were destroyed. For example, Varsovia was a lot completely rebuilt of the world. If Poland had been invaded, its great world have been destroyed. University and education in Poland. Education in Poland is modern and accessible to many university of program in English for international students. Students usually pay lower tuition comparing other Europe countries, although Poland is become popularity for the student abroad. The culture and diversity. Poland has rich culture with traditional food and festival. An important celebrity is Christmas, which is very traditional. Polish people are friendly and value family a lot. They are also many cultural influence from Europe. Important culture facts. Poland is a country that respects history and traditional people usually speak Polish, but many young people speak English. It is important to their respect and polite in social situations. In conclusion, the Poland is a country with strong history, good education, and rich culture. If you move there, you will learn many new things and have great experience. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.